Hello everybody, it's me, Hannah, Mr. Topper. And Mr.
Yes,
Hopper.
Honor. I think this is your birthday,
And my
right?
mom. Yes.
Oh, can you explain us how do you feel, please?
I feel happy and also sad at the same time because not lots of people used to come in my birthdays. Now it's just a little bit people, like 2 peoples, and with my toys, and 3 more peoples with them. But my toys are not real people. With them.
Who arranged this for?
My mommy and me. And also, I only have how many presents? How many presents did I have? Wait, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Wait, okay. 2 presents from that, and what do you call it?
Oh,
Mom is here with the
what
cake.
is that? Your cake is on the way.
We're going to do this in night 2, so it can look much better. Come on, Mom. Come over here.
Yes.
This is my mom.
So, is there any message you want to convey to people who likes you?
Happy birthday,
For my wish, first we have to sing the happy birthday song.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 candles, go! Happy birthday, Havanur. How old are you now?
8.
8. Oh, what's your message to your friends in Turkey, Bangladesh, Thailand?
I wish for Corona will go away.
Anything else?
And I also hope the viewers stay at home and stay at home.
And for next year's birthday, what's your wish? To celebrate with your friends? Not finished yet. Okay.
I want to taste.
You want to taste it? Oh, your cake looks a little bit special. Can you explain us?
It has this.
It's butterfly cake?
Yeah.
Who made it?
Mommy and me.
You
helped
helped?
her. Yes.
Okay, what else is there in your cake? Chocolate? What flavors are there?
Chocolate
Only chocolate?
and milk.
It looks delicious. Are you going to share with us?
If Corona wasn't here, I could, but Corona's here.
No, I mean just with me. Are you going to share with me?
Okay.
No problem, right? Okay, let's cut our
I don't
cake.
want to cut the cake. I want to cut it at the night time.
Oh, okay. But nighttime we cannot record this much beautiful. 1 minute. Yes, Havanur, what is your last message?
My last message is whoever still has a birthday yesterday or the day before that, I wish them a happy birthday too.
Okay, thank you very much. See you, Havanur. Happy birthday.
Bye.